Hello student, my name is Jyoti Murgali. I am going to be your math teacher. Okay? How are you all? Nowadays here we suffering COVID-19. So please follow the rule of COVID. For COVID we have lots of holiday due to COVID-19. So now you feel like that to come to the school. School should be open, yes or no? Say student me, yes or no? You want to come to the school? Yes. Oh. We also miss you students, kids. Yes. So we all have to be pray to the God, and school should be open soon. And you also follow the rule of COVID. We want to आपको यहाँ से कोविड जाना चाहिए, तो हम सब लोग उसके लिए कोविड के जो रूल्स है वो फॉलो करना चाहिए, नहीं? ओके, सो नाउ यू हैव lots of holiday. Now it's your study time. So till now we all should be study through online classes. Okay, so please children, kids, concentrate on study, concentrate on the studies. Okay, first one topic I teach you shapes. First one topic I teach you first of all a shape. Now I explain the shapes. Now I explain the shape. See this one. What you call this one shape? Circle. Correct. Circle. Circle have no line, no vertex. No line, no vertex. You call this one circle. You call this one circle. Next, what is this? What you call this one? Triangle. What you call this one? Triangle. Triangle have how many sides? 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are there. Triangle have 3 sides. If you there all sides are equal, 2 sides are equal, 1 side is different, yeah, 3 sides also different there, not there constant. Okay, see first one we see there circle. Circle have no line, no vertex. No line, no vertex. Vertex means what? Where the two lines join. You got there one point, you call that one vertex. You call that one vertex. Circle have no line, no vertex, only this one closed figure. This one closed figure. Closed figure means what? Where the join all lines, yeah, not open anywhere. You call that one closed figure. This is your circle. This, which shape this one? This one is a triangle. Triangle have 3 sides. Triangles means they have 3 sides. A triangle have 3 sides. Triangle have 3 vertices. Vertices means what? First one is a point where two sides meet. It is called a vertex. It is called also corner also. It is called as a corner also. In the triangle, all the sides of triangle may or may not be the same length. May not be the same length. May or may not be means all sides are same, two sides are same, one side is different, all sides are indifferent. There are types of triangle. That one also we learn in next video. Okay. Now see this one. Now again one triangle I show you. See here, this one another two triangle. This one also another one triangle. All of you understand? Now also we learn here triangle and circle. Next one rectangle. See, rectangle. First one, rectangle means what? Rectangle has four sides. See, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rectangle have how many sides? 4 sides. Rectangle has 4 vertices. Yeah, 4 corner. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Rectangle has also 4 corner. But rectangle's opposite sides are same. Rectangles opposite sides are same. See here, this is your opposite means what? आमने सामने. आमने सामने वाली means इसके सामने से कौन सी लाइन? दिस वन. इसके सामने से दिस वन. इसके सामने से see here opposite sides are equal ना. This line is a big and this line is a short. Opposite sides but opposite side are same. आमने सामने के जो साइड होते हैं वो सेम होते हैं. ओके, समझ में आया? Opposite sides are same. And rectangle has a 4 sides, 4 vertex, but in the rectangle opposite sides are same. समझ में आया ना रेक्टेंगल कैसे रिकॉग्नाइज करना है? ओके. नाउ this one shape, which one? This is your rectangle. See, opposite sides are same. Okay, this one also rectangle and this one also your rectangle. Opposite sides are same. All have 4 sides. Understand? Now see this one. Which shape this one? Which shape? Square. Square have also 1, 2, 3 and 4 sides. Square has also 4 sides. Square has also 4 sides. 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Square has also 4 vertices. And all 4 sides are equal. Means this one length, this one length, this one length and this one length are equal. All sides are equal. You call that one square. You call that one square. Understand? See here. 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Vertices means what? Where the two lines, your two sides meet in a one point. You call that one vertices. You call that one vertices. Okay? You learn here circle, triangle, rectangle and square Okay? Now also you recognize which shape this one also and this one also. Which shape? Circle. Correct. This is a circle. Circle have no side, no vertices. Which shape this one? Circle. They have no corner, no sides, only plain closed figure. Now, which shape this one? This shape have 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 vertices. And all sides are equal. You call that one square. What you call that one? Semi answer. Correct. Square. This is your square. Next one. See here. This have also 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. 4 corners. Yeah, 4 vertices. But it have a opposite sides are equal. Opposite sides are equal. You call that one rectangle. What you call that one? Rectangle. Next one. It have a how many sides? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 sides are there and 3 vertices. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. What do you call that one? Triangle. In the triangle, all sides of triangle may or may not be equal. May or may not be means एक जैसे भी हो सकते हैं, एक जैसे नहीं हो सकते. समझ में आया? You call that one triangle. Next one. This is your circle. What you call that one? Circle. No sides, no length. And one thing is there remaining, oval shape. Oval shape. This is a same type of circle. But circle how do you draw? This type. But oval how do you draw? This have also no sides, no length. You call that one oval. Yes or no? Call this one oval shape. Okay? Which shape we learn here? Triangle, square, rectangle, circle, oval shape. Okay? Now, today I take live class on 1:30 PM. दोपहर को 1:30 को आपका लाइव क्लास होगा. तब आप लोगों को क्या करना है, जो शेप्स अभी वीडियो में मैंने बताया है उसके जैसे सेम एटम आपके घर में क्या क्या है वो मुझे बताना है या दिखाना है. ओके? व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन इज देयर? सर्च आइटम ऑफ दोज शेप्स एट होम एंड you will be show in the live class. You will show in the live class. Okay? Thank you.